today we're going to do sun salutations with mantras to raise the vibrational frequency of ourselves and to raise the frequency of our planet. As you can see, I think people everywhere, Mother Earth, everyone, the universe right now needs a higher frequency to reach into that cosmic source and really create a world where we all feel safe and welcome. So, just as a introduction, if you're not familiar with sun salutations, they are a series of movements which move all our major muscles, stretch and help to keep the spinal cord soft and flexible, which in turn keeps our bodies flexible and our minds flexible. Really important these days to keep ourselves flexible in every way that we can possibly think of and not think of. We obviously are, as humans, limited in our thinking, and we need to reach out to that universal intelligence that surrounds us. This helps us to tap into that universal intelligence. It's a very basic sun salutation. I know many of you do these at home, and there's many variations of the sun salutation. This is a basic one. Feel free to use the mantras in your own sun salutation as well if that's something that resonates better with you. So we're just going to go ahead and start. The mantras are going to sound, they're beej mantras. Let me actually go into that a little bit. Beej mantras are just sounds that raise vibrational frequency. They don't mean anything, and they have, they're just sounds that vibrate, and all sounds vibrate, obviously. So this just vibrates at a higher frequency and helps to raise your own frequency and that our surroundings. So we'll go ahead and start. Om Hram, Om Hreem, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hram, Om Hrah, Om Hram, Om Hreem, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hram, Om Hrah, Om Hram, Om Hreem, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hram, Om Hrah, Om Hram, Om Hreem, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Ram, Om Hrah. So that was one salutation, and you'll repeat that, and you want to do it so that the mantra is actually in your mind and you're not saying it out loud. We're going to go over the mantras. Om Hram, Om Hreem, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Ram, and Om Hrah.